अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाजरीन, मैं हूं मोहम्मद अब्दुल मुखीत। आप देख रहे हैं मेंटी न्यूज़। जेपीएनसी कॉलेज टेक उत्सव 2019 का आज तीसरा और आखिरी दिन था। महबूबनगर जिला कलेक्टर रोनाल्ड रोस और महबूबनगर एमएलए वी श्रीनिवास गौड़ और कई मदरसों के तलबा ने शिरकत की। इस टेक उत्सव में जिला महबूबनगर के अलावा वनपर्ती और दीगर मुकाम के स्कूल और कॉलेज के तलबा ने शिरकत की। जयप्रकाश नारायण कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के तलबा ने इस उत्सव में मौजूदा और मुस्तकबिल में टेक्नोलॉजी से कैसे फ़ायदा लिया जा सकता है, इसके मुताबिक हर शोबे के तलबा ने उनके तालीमी मज़हरों को एक नुमाइश के तौर पर बच्चों के सामने पेश किया।
ఏపీఎన్సీ ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఏర్పాటు చేస్తున్న ఈ సైన్స్ ఫేర్ ఇవాళ చూడడం జరిగింది. ఇంజనీరింగ్ పిల్లలు డిఫరెంట్ టెక్నాలజీస్ అరౌండ్ ద వరల్డ్ ఉన్నవి, ప్లస్ వాళ్ళ కొత్త ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ అవన్నీ కూడా ఇవాళ ఇక్కడ ప్రదర్శన చేయడం జరిగింది. చాలా కొత్త ఐడియాస్ కూడా వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. ఐ ఆల్సో హోప్ ఈ ఐడియాస్ని వాళ్ళే ఒక ఆంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్‌గా ఉండి ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి ముందుకు వెళ్తారని అనుకుంటున్నాము. అలాగే దీంట్లో మంచి ఐడియా ఏమైనా ఉంటే మన జిల్లాలో కూడా దీన్ని మనం వాడుకోవడానికి అవకాశం ఉందన్నది కూడా మేము చూసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది.
నమస్తే. ఈరోజు జేపీఎన్సీ కళాశాల వారు చేస్తున్న ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో యువతలో ఉన్న ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ని, క్రియేషన్స్ని, వారి టాలెంట్ని బయట పెడుతూ ఈరోజు ఒక బ్రహ్మాండమైన ఎగ్జిబిషన్ గత 3 రోజుల నుంచి జరుగుతుంది. ఇలాంటి ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ ఇంకా జరగాలని, యువతలో ఉన్న టాలెంట్ని ఇంకా బయటికి తీసుకురావాలని ఇలాంటి ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్న జేపీఎన్సీ కళాశాల చైర్మన్ గారు రవికుమార్ గారు, వారి హెడ్ ఆఫ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్, మిగతా లెక్చరర్స్కి, స్టూడెంట్స్కి అందరికి కూడా ఒక్కసారి అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद खौस, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर जेपीएनसी। ये टेक उत्सव 2019 जो ऑर्गेनाइज़ किए हमारे कॉलेज से, इसके वजह से तो ना स्कूल के बच्चों को और इंटर कॉलेज के बच्चों को टेक्निकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से हमेशा हर जानकारी हासिल कर सकते हैं, यानी कि टेक्नोलॉजी को हम किस तरह इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और क्या क्या नए इनोवेटिव्स कर सकते हैं। हम जो भी अराउंड वर्ल्ड वाइड है यहाँ पे हम लोग इसको एक्सपोज कर रहे हैं। ये देखने के लिए तकरीबन 25-40 स्कूल्स और डिफरेंट 15 से 20 इंटर कॉलेजेस के स्टूडेंट्स आके देख रहे हैं। इस वजह से बच्चों बहुत बेनिफिट होता और जो है सो ये देख के बच्चों को भी बहुत।
So good afternoon to all my dear colleagues and students. Today our occasion is about Techno Utsav for our Jayaprakash Narayan College of Engineering. So this is one of the biggest step taken by our management to improve the knowledge, skills and also show their talent in the aspects of our students, and irrespective of departments and other activities also, our college students have given their best and proved them as one of the best college in our Mahbubnagar also. From this event, that is Tech Utsav 2019, we have started on 3rd, 4th and 5th January 2019. We have invited all the schools and colleges of our Mahbubnagar district and motivated all other schools, techno schools, and even the rural areas we have captured. So from this, the various managements have approached and participated in the event and made this event a great success. And I am very much glad that our chairman sir K.S. Ravikumar sir has taken the lead and organized a big program in our Mahbub to motivate the students and also to gain the knowledge upon the technical fields. And in future also this type of programs are needed to encourage and motivate our schools and also colleges so that they can able to show their talent towards our society and can gain more and more name in our society. Thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Muhammad Khayyum. I am assistant professor of Civil Department, Jayaprakash Narayan College of Engineering. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very wonderful good afternoon to one and all. Myself Zoya Aram, studying in 6th standard from Al-Nur High School, English medium with Islamic studies. First of all, I would like to congratulate the management and students of JPNCE who organized this program. I am very happy to visit such a wonderful seminar in our district. This kind of seminars helps the student to gain more knowledge about the technology. Every model here is giving a lot of knowledge about technology. Now, finally, I would like to thank the management of Al-Noor High School who brought us here to visit such a knowledgeable seminar. Thank you.
Sir, this is just a prototype and it is still going on. The research is still going on, and if it is completely done, then if I put my hand like this, the sensor will assume my hand as a cloud, and the rain starts flowing, and the water flow also can give me the direction.
What is the practical use of this?
Practical use is nothing but it's just a prototype, sir, for now, and still the research is going on. After the complete research, then I can tell you everything about it.
దేనికోసమే చేస్తున్నాం? What is the final outcome?
Civil engineering kind of if you are constructing.
from the cottage. Things in private trucks are this is these engineers are this 100 years back. So this is private trucks.
This is called technology. These are the polypropylene that is the waste disposal of plastic companies. The strength of this is compared to concrete, the strength of U-boot pattern is 40% more, and the rate is 20% less than the concrete. We can lay slabs, voided slabs, and the speciality of these U-boot slabs is without beams we can lay our slabs. And this is how the slab is going to be laid. These are the spacer joints which are going to connect to U-boot patterns. Here this is called triangular reinforcement. This acts as beams in these slabs, and then total base is filled with the concrete. The future scope of these U-boot is to save our earth environment, because that wastage can't be decomposed in the earth surface, so that we can save our earth surface, and as well as this concrete will take it from our nature only. So by saving this also, in two ways we can save our environment.
Actually reducing the concrete use.
Yes.
BCC, cement concrete. That's a growth I have been using. Top surface of building surface. I thought to read what it is called. What are the non-calculated and zero? So high level plastic can be used. It's bad and it is low cost because strength has been increased. So we can reduce the material.
This is the modeling of electrical power system. The power system is a network. It deals with how the electricity is generated, transmitted, and distributed to the different types of consumers. For the generation of electricity, we use three different sources: hydro, solar, and wind. By using three different sources, electricity is generated electricity is given to a common coupling point. This is a common coupling point. This is the entire central power grid and central level from lower to the higher value. Then from the central power grid system, electricity is transmitted to the secondary transmission substation.
Once we set up the days and times, it automatically changes. Daily statements, this one should be similar like this. And it's having three columns.
We have shown the old generation clips and new